Welcome back to Perma World. Cap here. We're going to get some iron. So let's get started. I better eat some food first. Let's get more iron. Take one of those. We've gotten some iron. Upgraded some of our gear. What else have we done? Oh, we got a bigger boat. And in here, we found bone mass. What's in here? Oh, that's stuff I can take. Sweet. Oh, I hear something. More of those. Don't need more of those. There's one back there. Back there. I think I got it. Oh, I don't know these frost arrows. I don't waste those. Ooh, that's nice. That one might be dead end. That one's not, definitely not a dead end. That one's definitely not a dead end. This one's not a dead end either. Oops. We got 19. Well, let's go back here, drop some stuff off. Yep. Put the iron in here for now. And I don't want the bones. I think I have enough of those. Put this stuff in my backpack. Well, I want the ooze, and I end up getting rid of the scrap. We'll see. Alright, where was I? Oh, it's this one. Doesn't seem to be anyone back here. Really? A third? We'll take that. Most definitely. There's the third one I found in this crypt. Put this stuff away for now. Yeah, 22 iron so far. Poison arrows. Nice. So there's one there. We just saw one back there. And I believe over here is another one. Empty? Yeah, that one's empty. I didn't want the bones. Make sure I didn't leave anything else. Alright, this looks like it might be also a dead end. Good deal. Enough. Oh, let's do this. You can see a little better. There's a nice scrap pile. I don't think I can get it. No, I'm not going to bother. I'm going to get out of that. 2 more. Oh, I don't want the bones. Let's go this way. Getting very many. There's something back here that I can hear him. Oh. Drop it. Oof. And drop her down. Ouch. Almost down. I missed. He didn't. Alright, got him. I don't think there's a spawner back here. Nope. More iron. No chances for iron anyway. Nothing else hiding back there. This one's clear. Just throw these bones down. End up with so many bones. Try this way. Don't see anything hiding back there. Staircase. Another pile. What have we got on it? 19. That's it. I'm not gonna be able to get that. Oh well. Alright, that's that section cleared, I think. That's not where I wanted to go. That's not the way I wanted to go. This way. I always get lost and see that's not the way I want to go either. This is the way I want to go. We got a full stack, and looks like the pickaxe is about to break, so I'm going to have to go home and fix it, and then come back. And then we're back at it. Maybe a dead end. Maybe not. Not a dead end. Yes. Oh, jeez. I just got poisoned. Can this poison resist? Other room. More. A ruby. 5 rubies, that's nice. I think that's this side done. Yep, that's this side complete. Nope, not that way. Not this way. Not dead end. One thing I just got super bones. Lost in here again. Go figure. Okay, not enough. Yeah, okay, I got 63 iron. These bones in here. No, I think I'll just toss the bones down. That way I know I've cleared this area. There we go. Alright, I keep missing this Draugr. Draugr and a blob in there. I'm going to use one of these. More iron, so let's put that in here. Don't want the stupid bones. Can use those. Can use those. Until I happen to have too many. Got my poison resist. Poison resist is good. Alright, looks like this sunken crypt is done, and I got 95 more iron. I know I won't be able to take it all. Gotta get it to my ship at least. Carrying too much. I can take 44. There's 3 trips. Weapons and full armor. Let's go. I believe this is the right way. Yeah, it most certainly was. Very nice. Alright, I got 2 more trips. And we'll start sailing home. Interesting, I see a troll over there. Don't need to kill him, so I'm not going to. So let's get out of here. This way. Back it up, back it up. Alright, now we can head home. Should go to Bone Mass, but I'm not going to do that right away. So I'll be back when we're closer to home, or if something exciting happens. I've sailed this trip 3 times already and nothing exciting happens. So we'll see you when we're back home. Alright, we're coming to the mouth of the river. Coming to the home stretch. Excuse me. Give a little bit of sail. A little faster. At least it's not all cloudy and rainy and foggy. There's a little bit of fog. I should be able to make it through here nicely. Make it out nicely. Don't rocket me. Oh no. That was brilliant. You guys gonna help me? Gonna help me push? Ouch. Alright, well, I gotta dig my way out. Oops. Come on, let me get out of this. Nope, I got myself stuck. Push it. Push it now. There we go. Bears in the water up ahead. Let's get it going. Get me out of here. No, I got no wind. Alright, there we go. There we go. Now we're unstuck. I'm glad that bear didn't come over, or one of those 2 trolls I saw earlier. That would be no bueno. I'm glad this bear isn't bothering me. That's kind of nice. He's just minding his own business. Probably eating fish. Oh. There's a troll after me. missed. Get me out of the water, get me out of the water. Hey, scrub, take that. I'm out of stamina. Yeah, come get some. Oh, here comes your friend too. Alright, so get some more stamina then. Alright, you can have some what your buddy had. Go away. There we go. Give me your lunch money. Give me all your stuff too. I didn't think he'd come after me, but I guess he did. Bear didn't. That's nice. Bear decided to leave me alone. Alright, well, let's get back home. I was trying to do earlier. If the trolls had other plans for me. Of course, I run aground again. Get back there. Man, what other trouble am I going to run into? Run up and down this river bunches of times, leaving those trolls alone. And they decided they wanted to pick a fight. There it is. That's what I was looking for. Yeah, I like this section of river because it's really huge. Easy to turn this big boat around. Go. Right, we got a cart here. It's nighttime. I don't have rested. So I'm gonna go take a nap, then bring all the stuff, bring all the iron back. get to smelting. Alright, dragging all this iron. There we go. I gotta run up this hill. Should have made a path and made it easier. But I didn't. There we go. Let's close the gate up. Tuba walk just makes me giggle. I want 20. 95. Oh well. 20. Inventory, nope, good. Get that a smelting. Get that a smelting. Fix my gear. Hopefully I'll have enough in a little bit to make myself the huntsman bow. Start putting stuff away. Oops. Alright. That's doing its thing. I did find a few more turnip seeds while walking around in there, which is fine. Go in there. Okay, let's go check on my onions. Seeds are almost done. Almost out of onions. I used some. Might as well harvest because I'm about to plant some more. That's fine. Let's be done shortly and I can replant them. Nice. This stuff away. Really need the butcher table. I should go up to the mountain and see about finding some silver. There probably is some up there, but I think I'll do that later. Okay, I got quite a bit of stuff. I could probably go sell to Haldor. could make a little personal chest. I have just enough iron for that. I don't want to make that right now. I want a new bow. Oh, I could eat another bite. Yum, yum. Alright. Now how much do I have? Do I have enough to make it yet? I do. Craft. Yes, indeed. Can't upgrade it, I don't think. No, I need iron to upgrade it. Alright. Bow improvement. It's going to take me a bit to get all this smelted and upgrade my at gear as well to iron. But I'll be smelting here for quite a bit. Got food set up. Cart's fine there for now. I don't need to put that away. Alright. Well, that was a good adventure. I'm going to finish clearing out that crypt. Ran the boat aground like a scrub. And got some more iron. Upgraded my bow. So I'm going to call it there. And until next time, thanks for watching Perma World, and Cap out.